Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be reviewing Outre Airtied human hair blend in the style HHB Soft Curls 18-inch, and I got it in the color 1B. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. The hairline looks natural and pre-plucked, and this unit is a 13x6 frontal wig. I applied the lace tint to the lace off camera, and then I went straight into installing the unit. The first thing I do is cut the lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. To lay this lace down, I went in with 2 layers of the Kiss Lace Bond adhesive spray. When laying your lace down, you want to make sure that the hairline is applied directly on top of where you applied your adhesive spray. Then I followed up with the blow dryer on a warm heat setting until it was fully dry. You want to do that same process to the other 2 sections of the lace. Make sure you cut the air tabs off on both sides of the lace so that the wig can properly lay on your head. I took that same adhesive spray and applied a small amount of that spray onto my finger, and then applied it on top of the lace for a stronger hold and melted look. Then I went in with my satin band to lay the lace down and my blow dry on a warm heat setting. When it's time to cut the lace, I like to cut my lace in sections, and I also like to cut in a zigzag motion because it gives the lace more of a realistic look. I used a little bit of alcohol to clean off the leftover glue residue. This step will help give your install a more cleaner, neater look. Then I went back in with the Kiss Bond spray, and I applied a little bit of that spray directly on top of the lace to lay down the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. I went in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 16, and I used the lightest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Since I'm doing a middle part, I went in with a rat tail comb to sharpen the parting space. After separating my baby hairs, I went in with a blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and a firm brush to flatten down the foundation of this unit. I'm using my edge flat iron to curl downwards in order to give my baby hairs that fluffy natural look. To style my baby hairs, I usually go in with the Got2b Flex Insta Hold spray. And if you're having trouble with your baby hair staying in place, I will always recommend going in with a blow dryer right after styling. To brush these curls out, I went in with a vent brush. I love using a vent brush for my synthetic wigs. It's easy to brush the hair out, less frizz, and it gives the hair more volume as well. And when it comes to synthetic wigs, remember to always brush the hair from the bottom and then work your way up to prevent knots and tangles. I went in with my hot comb to flatten down the roots on this unit. Lastly, I went in with the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer in the color medium brown to enhance the parting space. And here we have the final look for Outre Soft Curls 18-inch. This unit is so pretty. It definitely gives soft curl vibes, and it was also soft to the touch as well. This unit gives off more of an everyday work type of unit, especially because it's a human hair blend, so it'll last a little longer and it'll have a more realistic look and feel as well. Of course, because it's synthetic, there's a little bit of shedding, there's a little bit of knots and tangles, but after you brush it out, you're good to go. Overall, this unit is so beautiful and beginner friendly, so if you are looking for a low maintenance unit, this is the unit for you. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.